If you want to enjoy YouTube videos while still using other apps on your phone, the picture-in-picture feature is the perfect solution. This powerful multitasking tool allows you to keep a video playing in a small floating window while you chat, browse social media, or work on other tasks at the same time. It makes your smartphone experience more flexible, efficient, and convenient. Step 1. Enable picture-in-picture mode. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile icon or U button in the bottom right corner. Tap the settings gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and select playback or general settings depending on your device. Find picture-in-picture PIP and turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your device is ready for multitasking. Step 2. Start watching in PIP mode. Now follow these steps to use it. Go back to the YouTube home menu. Play any video of your choice. Press the home button or use the swipe up gesture immediately. The video will shrink into a small floating window on your screen instead of closing. Step 3. Use other apps simultaneously. After the floating window appears, open any app such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Chrome. Continue your activities while the YouTube video keeps playing in the background. You can drag the floating window anywhere on the screen for better visibility. Tap the window to pause, play, or close it whenever needed. This feature is perfect for multitasking users who want entertainment without interrupting productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to try it out and enjoy seamless viewing anytime.